Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video guys, I will show you how you can remove image from post or your page or whatever they are in WordPress. So first of all, please go ahead and open WordPress, and just like so. Make sure that you go to wordpress.com/wp admin and put your username and password. So after you open this page, go ahead and visit your site and check the image that you don't want it to be in your page. So for example, I don't want this image to be here, or this image, or whatever image it is. So this page is the home page. So what I'm going to do is click on dashboard and go to post or pages, and from pages I will go to the home page. If you don't see it here, you go to post. So from posts we go to hello world, for example. This hello world doesn't have it, so we go to pages from here and we check for the post page, which is gonna be something, I think this one or this one. So we'll check both of these. Let's edit this one, edit. Okay, I can't really edit from here, so I will have to go through posts. So going through posts, and what I'm going to do exactly is, oh, here it is. Okay, here it is, the post page. It's opened. So as you can see from here, I can see all the page. As you see in here, I see the text. I can remove the text, I can edit the title, I can do whatever I want. So for example, we talked about this page, this image, which is the World Cup trophy image. How can I remove it? You can just click here and click on remove block, or click on your keyboard and remove it. So just like that, you can remove any image. If you want to make it go back, you can click on Ctrl Z and make it back to your blog. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.